गाइस वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश रीडिंग, ये वाली इकोनॉमिक्स। इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आज सिंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर का रीडिंग करेंगे इंग्लिश में, और उसको पढ़ेंगे। रीडिंग करना है सिर्फ। और अगर अच्छा लगे मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को, ठीक है। तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर पढ़ेंगे आज हम इकोनॉमिक्स के। तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं व्हाट इज डिफाइन एन इकोनॉमी। डिफाइन एन इकोनॉमी इज अ सिस्टम इन विच एंड बाय विच पीपल गेट अ लिविंग टू सेटिस्फाई देयर वांट्स थ्रू द प्रोसेस प्रोडक्शन, कंजप्शन, एक्सचेंज एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट। दिस इज कॉल्ड एन इकोनॉमी। When in supply, goods said be perfectly elasticity. Supply of a commodity is said to be a perfectly elasticity when is its quantity supplied expand or contract to any extent without any change or with very little change in price. What is the meant by the economic problem? Explain the secretary choice of together. अब एक आंसर सुनो। Economic problem basically means the problem of choice. It's arise because human wants to unlimited and the resources of satisfy their wants are not only scarce but have alternative uses as well. Secretary means the excess of wants over the available resources, and choice refer to the selecting the best alternative as we are ensure to optimal utilization of such resources. So the problem of choice arises because of secretary, therefore it called be said the secretary choice to go together. Define a market supply. Market supply. What is the effect of supply of goods when the government impose the tax of production of goods? Market supply is a refer to the supply of all firm in the market producing a particular commodity. It is a government imposed tax on the production of a particular commodity. The cost of production increase and the price remain constant. The result of reduction in a profit in given figure. The supply curve of commodity before imposition of tax, and the supply curve is commodity after the imposition of tax. It is clearly depicted that supply curve was shifted to the left. Less quantity of supplied the existing price of commodity. Supply supply refer to the quantity of commodity that is a seller willing to the sell of different price during the given period of time. It is a desire to quantity. It is the quantity that is a producer we are willing to sell or not the actually sell. In case of fall input price, marginal cost will be decline. Price remaining the same as the fall in cost will help produce an increase of his profit. So that benefit such a situation, the producer would increase their supply, so producer will supply more of commodity existing price. It is a clearly a depreciate that the supply curve was shifted to right and more commodity supplied the existing price of commodity. Define a surplus budget. Surplus budget refer to the situation in which government established expenditure is less than the government estimated revenue during the fiscal year. Name of two component of money supply. Two component of money supply: currency notes held by public, demand deposit of commercial bank. Meaning of real flow or money flow. Injection: there are flow variable which causes the expansion of increase in the process of circular flow, the process of income generation in the economy. There are flow. Investment, export, consumption of expenditure by the uh, household of government. Leakage: there are flow variable which causes construction of decrease in the process of circular flow with the economy. All these variables reduce the flow of income economy and are also called withdrawal. There are following: saving, import, tax and government. Real flow: it is referred to the flow of goods and services across different sectors of economy. There is a flow factor: service from the household sector and producing sector. Money flow, it is a refer to the flow of money in terms of payment and receipt across the different sector of the economy. There are flow money in the household sector. In the producing sector is a term of payment of purchase of goods and services. What is explain the following qualitative method of credit control by the central bank. Margin requirement, moral cession. Margin requirement, it is a difference between the market value security provided by the borrower and the amount of loan guaranteed to him. There will be reduction in margin requirement in the situation of deficient demand. It is implied the borrower will be get a more credit against the security. It will be encourage borrowing. Margin requirement rise to the correct that situation exists demand. Higher margin requirement act as a disincentive to borrow. Moral cession, under the measure Reserve Bank of India (RBI) issued a directive to bank follow rules and regulation during the deficient demand. The RBI issued instruction member bank to increase the availability of credit borrow for non-essential purpose also, but it is a case of excess demand. RBI imposed restriction of commercial bank of guaranteeing loan. Explain the two objectives of government budget. Generation of employment, economic stability. Generation of employment, the government needs to promote labor intensive technology, public work programs like construction of road, dams, canals, bridge, etc. Promote employment generation in the economy. Several programs are essential through budget and to reduce the problem of poverty and unemployment. Economic stability, government tries to establish economic stability by budgetary policy. Economic stability refer to the situation without a functional price of level and stability of exchange of an economy. Economic stability is achieved the protecting the economy harmful effect of trader cycle and its process boom, depression and recovery. The counting value of commodity more than the ones called double counting the leads of over the estimation of the value of goods or service produced. Thus imports avoiding double counting lies in correct estimation of the value of domestic product. The farmer product and tons of wheat in the sales of 400 in the market of flour mill. Final output method, according to the final method is value intermediate goods of not considered only the value of final goods or services. Consider the box above example. The high value of final goods value added method. Another method is avoided the problems of double counting in the estimated the total value added at each stage of production. In above example, value added each stage of production. National income, the main items are follow. BOP, financial assets sold with central bank of financial and deficit of BOP account. RBI purchase the foreign currency from the surplus of BOP account. Government borrows and IMF have recover from BOP deficit. तो थैंक यू सो मच। ये इंग्लिश रीडिंग है इकोनॉमिक्स की, तो आज मैंने इंग्लिश रीडिंग करी है। तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू सो मच, सपोर्ट करें। धन्यवाद।